Hey creatives, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing my skincare routine with you guys. But before I get started, I want to give you a bit of background story. So back in 2017, I started experiencing some extremely bad breakouts. They got so extreme to the point where I started getting very self-conscious. If I took pictures, I wouldn't even include my face in them. And if I did include my face, then I would have to use a filter or something because my face looked that terrible. And someone gifted me with a big bottle of Proactiv face wash, and I started using it. And over the next couple of months, my skin started to clear up. And from that point on, I have been using Proactiv. I try as much as possible to drink a sufficient amount of water, to eat a lot of fruits, and just do exercise when I can. So now that you have a bit of backstory, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the skincare routine. So I start off each morning by cleansing my face with the Clean and Clear Nighttime Relaxing Face Wash. And even though it's a nighttime face wash, I use it any time of the day because I can and it works for me, so I do it. I must add that I use the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser to wash my face when my face isn't really oily but I need to get it cleaned. This soap doesn't foam up or anything. It feels like lotion on your face, so it's a very gentle cleanser, which I really love. I always apply my face wash to wet face and ensure that my hands are clean before I begin. Applying soap to wet skin helps the soap to foam better, and it leads to easier removal of excess dirt and oil. I normally wash my face for about 30 seconds to 1 minute and ensure that I wash my neck also, especially since I always have breakouts on my neck. When it comes on to washing around my eyes, I try my best to be as gentle as I possibly can, because my eye area is very sensitive and I normally get allergies that affect my eyes, so I'm always constantly just rubbing my eyes until they get red, and I really hate that. But for the past couple of months I haven't been affected by allergies, so I'm happy about that. Instead of using a towel to dry my face, I use quilted napkins just to pat dry my face. To be honest, I don't always pat dry my face, but I do it as often as I remember to. So at nights, I use the balancing toner from Proactiv. I apply a bit to a cotton pad and pat it into my face in an upward motion, allowing it to dry. Then I go in with the eye brightening serum, which I apply gently around my eyes. I don't do this step every day or every night. I do this at least 2 times per week. Next up is the green tea moisturizer. It helps to alleviate dryness and it's super lightweight. Little definitely goes a long way. I use Cetaphil's moisturizing cream to moisturize my face and body all day, every day. It is one of my favorite moisturizers. And if you use this, I promise your skin will never be dry, like never. So if you have super dry skin or super sensitive skin, I do recommend this moisturizer. So for my lips, I use Aquaphor Advanced Therapy. It definitely keeps my lips super soft and moisturized for a very long time. And after using all these products, I normally use the Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub to exfoliate my hands. Exfoliating your hands, especially with sugar, can help to preserve your skin's natural moisture and also helps to remove dry, flaky skin cells. So exfoliating my hands is definitely a part of my skincare routine. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Before you go though, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.